Particles aren't objects. They're states of a field. You can't separate the wave from the ocean. Likewise, you can't separate a self from the field it emerges from. So when we ask, what are we really? We're not bags of chemicals reacting predictably. We are dynamic, indeterminate systems woven into fields that respond to intention, attention, and maybe even consciousness. And if that's true, then the way we've modeled consciousness, like it's a side effect of the brain chemistry, isn't just incomplete, it's fundamentally flawed. Stay with me, because what comes next dives even deeper. You're about to see why classical science has been missing the most important part of the picture. For over a century, science has operated under a simple rule. If you can't measure it, it doesn't exist. That's how we ended up reducing life to chemical reactions and neurons firing in the brain. Because that's what we could observe, record, and replicate. But here's a problem. That method, powerful as it is, can only describe half the picture, the visible half, the measurable half. What it misses are the invisible connections, the quantum fields that hold everything together. Ironically, quantum physics has been telling us this for decades. Particles, which we once believed to be tiny building blocks of matter, turned out to be not particles at all. They're not little marbles bouncing around. They're states of a field, temporary ripples in something much deeper. They come and go, they aren't permanent, and they aren't separate. This changes everything, especially when it comes to understanding life. Because your body, every cell in it is made of these quantum states. And these states aren't isolated, they're entangled. Which means the idea of you being a self-contained machine, it was never true.